In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show volume on TradingView. Whether you're new to TradingView or just refining your chart analysis skills, understanding how to effectively display volume can provide significant insights into market activity. We'll walk through a couple of straightforward methods to display the volume on your chart, ensuring it's clear and easy to read. To get started, you'll want to locate the Indicators and Strategies button, which looks like a little microscope icon on your TradingView interface. This icon is your gateway to a variety of tools that can help enhance your chart analysis. Once you click on it, you'll notice a search box appear. This is where you'll type in volume. As you type, you'll see a list of potential matches, but we're focusing on the built-in volume indicator. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you're adding the volume indicator directly to your chart. After adding the volume indicator, you'll notice a volume histogram appear beneath your price candles. This histogram displays the trading volume, which can be incredibly useful for understanding the strength or weaknesses of price movements. A spike in volume often signifies a stronger market move and can be an indicator of potential reversals or continuations. Seeing this on your chart means you're well on your way to a more nuanced market analysis. Now, sometimes the way volume is displayed can make it a bit cluttered, especially if it's overlaying directly on your price chart. If you find that the volume bars are getting a bit too tangled with your price data, there's a simple fix for this: moving the volume to its own separate pane. Here's how you can do that. First, hover over the volume pane itself. As you do, you'll notice there's a small menu icon with 3 dots next to the name Volume. Click on this menu button to reveal a list of options that can be used to modify the volume display. Among these options, you will find Move to New Pane below. Select this option, and you'll see the volume histogram moved to its own dedicated pane below your main chart. This separation not only declutters your view, but also makes it easier to focus on both price and volume distinctly, which can be crucial for making informed trading decisions. By following these methods, you ensure that your TradingView setup is both functional and easy on the eyes. A clear view of volume in your charting process can add valuable insights into market trends and price movements, helping turn raw data into actionable intelligence. Thanks for following along, and with these tips, you're now equipped to interpret trading volume with greater clarity on TradingView.